AutoCAD is the reference software in computer-aided design in 2D and 3D. It is a complete program and really versatile. These are just some of the reasons why it has become the preferred choice of architects or engineers. They can shape their designs precisely. In summary, a tool of enormous utility to develop your activity. Despite being a tool of enormous utility, it is the most used program by companies around the world. Its price is really high. An AutoCAD license for annual use has a price of more than 2,000 euros. While this amount may not be important for large companies, for SMEs, self-employed or students, it is an amount they cannot afford. Therefore, given the unattainable price for this program, they are forced to look for alternatives. And the search is not too easy. We need an alternative that offers us many options and can replace AutoCAD as much as possible. FreeCAD is exactly what it sounds like. Free, open source CAD software to build your own 3D drawings. FreeCAD uses parametric modeling, allowing you to easily alter your designs as you go. It's not nearly as in-depth and feature-packed as some other CAD software on the list, but it's still powerful enough to create some great 3D models. DraftSight is simple, functional, and a great introduction to CAD and 2D modeling. Better yet, it's free. There are two paid options that go a little more in depth that are good value for business. But if you are an architect or design student, the free versions works as a good starting point for your adventures in CAD. ProgeCAD is a great program if you want to invest in some serious CAD software, but don't want to pay the asking price of AutoCAD. With over 10,000 symbols and an easy to use interface, ProgeCAD is a good program for intermediate to pro users. ZWCAD is a sleek and sophisticated drafting software for professionals. It also has the benefit of displaying seamlessly across desktop and mobile devices. A program for drafting professionals who are often out of the office. BricsCAD is a simple to use and many in-depth features common to better known CAD programs. If usability is your number one priority, then BricsCAD should be high on your list of CAD programs to check out. Aris Commander is providing a familiar look and feel that is intuitive for any experienced CAD user, much more than a cost-effective alternative for DWG editing. nanoCAD is a professional-grade CAD tool. It has a familiar interface, powerful drafting and design tools, native DWG compatibility, and an open API. It is available through a low-cost annual subscriptions, including update and priority support online. As one of our affordable AutoCAD alternatives, nanoCAD has a lot to offer new users. With a relatively fast performance, native Lisp support and 2D 3D capabilities, it's hard to argue against. If you are looking for software with all of AutoCAD's intricate capabilities, you will be disappointed. However, if you approach it with a relatively open mind, you will be pleasantly surprised. Is your favorite CAD program included in our list? Let us know more in the comment section below.